To create an account for yourself, performing a job with you can get paid. You are done. Really start making big catches. You can also go for most paid. When you go for most paid, to bring out list of the jobs that are mostly paid. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Paul. I teach you how to make money online on this channel, and if you want to start making money online without any capital, please do it by liking this video, hit the subscription button and ring the notification bell to get notified whenever time I make more videos like this. So let's get on with it. For you to start making money online, all you need is a phone or a laptop and everything is ready to go. So there's 3 steps involved to start making money with this process. And is going to paid workers and signing up for an account. Rapid workers can perform jobs and get paid. Rapid workers, tasks are accomplished fast, projects are low cost, employers are fulfilled, workers are happy and compensated promptly. Most of all, really works. So either you can be an employee or an employer. You can host a campaign or do some jobs and get money. But most important thing is what you can making money on this site. So continue. You have to create an account for yourself. Account for your account. Let me show you how you can create yours. Then now log into mine. Okay. Now here you will see where it's written sign up now. I see it here. And if you tap the sign up, bring you to another room where you can put in your information and sign off on. So you put your address, then password, preferred password, and you choose your country where you're from, either from Nigeria, Afghanistan, or Andorra, Angola. So once you're done, you click I'm not a robot. When you click I'm not a robot, it will bring out where you was to select some few things. Okay, they didn't ask us to select anything to show that you are a human being and not a robot. So once you're done, when you are approved, you click agree to this above and have read the terms and conditions. Then once you are done with all those things, click then your account will be created instantly. So the business, let's log into already account. It hasn't been long, but I have my business account which I will show you at the end of this video so that you this is actually real. But for you to see it, you got to stick to the end of this video. Done creating the account, this is how it will look like. You will bring it to this place. So this is where you can start doing your jobs. Okay, Paul Sunday, Paul Sunday Gmail address. Then my balance is 0 for now. Then when I start doing job, I start getting paid. So the list of jobs you can actually do, you can actually do all these things in a day and get paid. You get your cash or cool money for YouTube, because YouTube seems to be quite easy than these other jobs. Let's put in YouTube to bring a list of YouTube jobs. So YouTube jobs. Okay, the first one says watch YouTube video for at least a minute. Don't skip the video. Subscribe. Okay, let's skip the video. Second one says subscribe on YouTube and get paid. Third one said YouTube marketing. Like, comment, and subscribe. YouTube, share, comment on this video. So many more of them. They are really easier to do. If you pay is not that much compared to those. So $5 here, $3, $10 you can actually do. And if you can be able to do 10 of them in a day, that's you're making a catch. You'll be making like $100 a day. So it's quite easy. These ones are about these ones about these countries or countries that can do this acting too. So but that is not a problem. I'll do a video where I'll show you can actually do any job from any country you're from. So okay, so one now. It's first one. Okay, This is how it will look like when you move into the instruction room. Watch YouTube video at least a minute, don't skip the video. Okay, 19 persons have done it out of 39 persons that are supposed to do it. You can accept this job if you are from these countries only, which is USA. What is expected from workers? Video for at least 1 minute, don't skip the video, copy this video and open in a new tab. Wow, there is to get to their destination easier and faster. So required proof that task was finished. Just send the recordings of the video. That's it. Oh wow. Just do screen record it and send it. Or if your phone doesn't do screen recording or you don't have the materials, you can recommend it to Mobizen. Go to Play Store and download Mobizen screen recorder. The description is down below. So the box you're seeing is where you can submit your proof showing that the job has been completed. After that, you click I confirm that I have followed instructions and completed this task. Then you'll be paid within 24 to 48 hours. How you can get paid. We are done with the first step, which is creating an account, signing up, confirming an account and everything. Then down to the second step, which is performing the account, in which is the reason why we are here. And the third, which is the way which you can get paid. So for you to get paid, you have to have a PayPal account. You will be paid through either a PayPal account, making big catches. You can also go for most paid. So when you go for most paid, you bring out a list of the jobs that are mostly paid, which you can actually do and get more money, as in make much of most paid jobs. As you can, this first one is $11 for 8 minutes. So if you can actually do this job for 8 minutes, you get paid $11. So the second one is 10, 8, 6, and the rest of them. They are actually those that have been listed here. As I said earlier, in my next UK, which you can do a job that's for another country, in an easy way you can do it. So getting to the step 3, which is your payment. How will you receive your payment? Okay, you can see the top corner here is withdraw. Once you click the withdraw, you can do your withdrawal. So these are the things you need to know about the withdrawal process. Okay, you can only if your balance is over $8. We only do PayPal. Don't message us for something else. You will need to fill the account page here before asking for a payment. For a withdrawal at rapidworkers.com, your email on the site, your PayPal email that you want the payment sent to, IP address under last login info, top right. So your payment will be sent within 24 hours to 48 hours. So that's the process of the payment. If you can stick to this, and if you have all these requirements, which is only a PayPal account, you start getting paid. It's not hard. It's very easy. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you actually like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like this video, subscribe, turn bell to get notified when I make more videos like this, which is where I'm now basing on how to make money online. Thank you guys. I love you all. So check out my other videos. They really help you a lot. I'll be making more beautiful contents like this every weekend. Be sure to stick around. I love you all. Peace out.